Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can fix the error code 0xE6000000 on your Windows 10 or 11. So this happens when there is an installation error in Nvidia application. Let's begin. First, I want you to go ahead and uninstall the current version you have on your PC installed, okay? So go to your Windows Start menu. You can go to apps and features. You can uninstall it from here. NVIDIA, right? You need to uninstall everything NVIDIA related. This, every single one. So you can click on them, uninstall, uninstall, or you also have the option to go directly to the control panel instead. Click on it, go to uninstall a program, scroll down to the end section where you can locate NVIDIA. And again, carefully select everything and uninstall each of these NVIDIA, anything that says NVIDIA. So once you have successfully removed this from your PC, now will be the time to install them back. So open up your favorite browser, look for NVIDIA application. You have the option to manually download this or just download the NVIDIA application and let it detect whatever driver you have or GPU you have. It will automatically download the perfect and latest version for you. But for this guide, let's manually download your GPU drivers. So select GeForce, select the series, select the type of RTX you have and your OS. Click on Find. Just wait for it and you will have the option. I will choose Studio Driver, click on View, and then click on Download. Then just proceed with the installation wizard. Click OK, confirm everything. And once NVIDIA application has been installed, you will no longer encounter those problems during the installation process this time. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.